Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we are in Redding, California, in the northern central part of the state, and we're staying at the Sacramento River RV Park. Now, this is a private park and just a beautiful park, and we want to show you around it everything it has to offer.
Thanks.
Now, there beside us is Interstate 5, and to get to the park you take exit 673 Knighton Road, and this is an access road, Riverland Drive, that runs 2 miles down to the park. This is a map of the park, and you'll see the red spaces, they're 30 amp, and the blue spaces are 50 amp. So there's a good mix, and they are doing some electrical and site upgrades. It looks like there's going to be additional 50 amp services. You'll come to the end of the road, and the road continues straight back into the park. Just go under the arch, you go off of the county maintained roads onto their private driveway, which is actually better road than the county's, and it brings you right straight on into the park. And as soon as you start to get near the park, you'll see green everywhere. They take great care in making sure that their grass is green, their trees are filled out, but they're not too low. And they tell you shade, pool, and river access. 3 things to keep you cool in the warm summers up here.
And they get them.
Yeah. Now, on the left-hand side, as you come into the park, you'll see those shade canopies, and those are over their playground equipment. I think that is the greatest idea.
That is so nice.
Real nice playground, all covered with shade canopies. Just beside that is tennis courts and a basketball court. On the right-hand side of the road is their pool. I had to shoot this early in the morning because everybody's been at the pool every day. And right behind that are bathrooms, and in the end of that building is their laundry. Laundries take coin or credit card on everything except for the heavy-duty washer and heavy-duty dryer, and those are coin only. As you come on back into the park just a short ways, you'll see the yellow striping on the road. That's where you'll want to stop and check in. That's their office right there. Come back again just another short ways, and you'll see another building here on our right. That is the clubhouse and gym. They've got a good bit of fitness equipment in there. They do have some seating, a little television, and a nice kitchen. Everything that you need. Now we're going to go on around the right-hand side of the park. And as we said, there's lots of shade. They're nice, big, mature trees, but they're trimmed up really, really well, so you have no issues with dragging on limbs or anything that way. And they're also set back far enough from the road that you don't have to worry about trees impeding you getting into or out of your sights. There are back-end sights along the outside edges, and there are pull-through sights in the middle.
And look at how level the road itself is.
Yes, and the sights are also. When we pulled into our site, it showed us being completely level. We just set the jacks down to stabilize the rig, and that was it. Now, when we make this curve, the sights on our right are listed as premium riverfront sites. And they are called premium riverfront sites because they are directly on the Sacramento River. And boy, do they have a view. This is the view they have behind that row of RVs.
That is awesome.
That river moves right along too. It flows really fast, but it's a beautiful river. Now we'll come around the curve here, And on the left-hand side, you'll see a bathhouse. So there's one at the pool, there's one here, and then there's one on over on the other side, which with 140 RV spaces, that's really got you covered.
That's right.
Also on the right is a section that's going under renovation. There's two sections that are under renovation right now. This is getting all new electric and utilities. And they're on the map as 30 amp, but by the looks of the boxes, I won't be at all surprised if those become 50 amp sites. Now the building down here on the right is the bathhouse for the other side of the park. And we're going to take you into this one and let you see. I've never been in bathrooms like this. Shiny marble tile, stainless steel everywhere. There's no fingerprints on the stainless steel. Everything is immaculate. And I was actually talking to the lady that does their housekeeping this morning, and this is before she was in there. She hadn't gotten to this one yet when I filmed it, and it was absolutely spotless.
They look brand new.
Yeah. Now right beside the bathhouse is a road. If you take it back and go to the right, you'll come to the dog park. Nice grass. Maggie really appreciates having grass. And that same road, if you bend to the left, there's a lot of vacant property out there, but there's also a disc golf course out there. And I could see maybe some more RV sites in the future back there.
It actually says to watch out for unidentified flying objects.
Now, this is the road that goes down the center of the park, and we're taking it back towards the front. You'll see the canopies there over the playground that we showed you when we first came in. We're going to make a right-hand turn and show you the other side of the park. Again, nice wide spaces. You'll accommodate any size of rig. The ones on the left are called economy sites. They either face the road or there's a concrete wall at the very end that they face. So you don't have as nice a view, and you might have a little bit more noise over there. Those are called economy sites. The ones on the right hand side, those are all pull-throughs. They are grassed. They have gravel sites where you actually park the RV, and we'll show you our site here in a minute, but really, really nice sites.
Yeah, they are.
Now we're going to make a right here, and this is going to go kind of through the middle of this section, so you can see what the interior sites are like. Again, the sites on the right hand side are pull-through sites. The ones on the left, right here in this section, the ones on the left actually are back-end sites. And again, great job with the trees. The heat this weekend is projected to be 115 degrees, and the shade really, really helps.
Absolutely.
Now we came back out on the middle section. We're going to go to the very first left. This will bring us through the other part of the interior of this section. And again, the sites on our left now would be back-end sites. The sites on our right are pull-through. There's our rig, and we'll show you our site here in just a moment. And we're going to come right back out here onto the main loop. Again, the sites on our left, those are all under renovation also. New electrical boxes, new utilities. And this is our site. Now when we come down the campsite, you'll see our hookups here for 50 amp power, water, and sewer. And this is our campsite. We've got a nice pavered patio, picnic table. Couldn't be better. So Kathy, what did you think of our stay at Sacramento River RV Park?
I like it. It's very nice. It's a little warm.
And that's been one thing that's been really nice here. As it says on their sign when you come in, shade is one of the things they're proud of. And they keep the lawns, the grass all watered, so you've got green grass, you've got beautiful green shade trees, and with weekend temperatures looking at like 115 degrees, the shade is definitely welcome. So with that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thanks for watching today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out.
Don't forget to follow us on social media too.